All right, today I got a surprise for y'all, and we're gonna be installing it later on. So let's open it up and see what it is. All right, let's open it up. Ooh. Ooh. Damn boy. Damn boy. This thing is fresh. All right, guys, welcome to today's video. Today we're gonna be installing my steering wheel on my R34. This steering wheel is beautiful because it's carbon and it's got like a nice grip to it. So we're gonna be installing this today on this beautiful R34 Skyline. So that's the old that's coming out, the old steering wheel that's coming out, and that'll be coming out soon. I gotta get new seats, guys. These things are filthy and dirty. Comment below what kind of seats you guys think I should get, and if I should cage this, do more carbon inside the dash, maybe get a carbon dash, roll cage. What do you guys think? Dog box. More to come. LSD. All this is coming soon. Hopefully. Let's get it. All right, guys. The first step, we're gonna take some tape and a Sharpie, and show you guys what we're gonna do. I'm gonna show you guys what we're gonna do with the Sharpie and the tape. Let's get it. All right. So we're gonna take a piece of tape and we're gonna put it on the dash here, on top here, on one side, and then another piece on this side, and then we're gonna mark a line so that we can tell where we took it off from, and we can put it back like that. That's one of the ways I'm gonna show you. There you guys have it. Line like that. Now we're gonna pop out. There's 2 access ports here, one here, and I think one on the other side. I'm gonna show you guys how to pop those out. It's actually, there's one here. Let me get a screwdriver real quick. Pop those out. All right, so we're gonna take the screwdriver and pop this cover off just like that. We're gonna access this bolt here. It's a 10 mil, and I believe there's one on the other side. Let me check it. As I thought, there's another one on this side. We just gotta pop that out, just like that. Boom. Popped out. And we have another. Oh, they're not 10 mils. They are not 10 mils. They are star, like a weird star with a little nipple thing. So we're gonna get that and, you know, start removing the airbag and stuff. And before we mess with any of that, let's disconnect our battery and make sure we don't make the airbag pop on our face. Let's get it. All right, let's see our battery. It's located in the trunk, and just got to get a 13, remove that, and yep. No light no more. Let's get it. These are the type that might be this one here. Let's check it out. And I guessed it right. It's at 30. It fits right on there. So let's get our ratchet, take those off, and keep going. All right, now airbag popped out, but we're being held up, so there's a little clip here that clips onto the airbag, I think. Get a screwdriver. Right. So now we gotta get a screwdriver. Yeah, that's just been held by something here. This connector has to come out somehow. Like that. So it's got a little tab here, this white tab. You push that down and this should slide out, downwards. And then you should be able to pull the airbag out. Careful with the wire. But it's out. That's the airbag. Put that to the side. These were really tight, so they have Loctite on them. So you think you're stripping them, but they're coming out. So now we are here, and now we have to remove the nut here, and then this whole thing comes out. There might be more wiring stuck to it. Yep, there's more wiring here, so we're gonna pop that out too. I think that's for the clock spring and stuff, but oh, pops right out like that. Has a clip, pop right out. So there we go. Oh, that's a ground. Looks like a ground. We have to disconnect that also. Put that out like that. Let's keep going. All right, now we're gonna take off the 19 mil that's in here. Boom, came right out. And I think we have to put a puller on here because this thing is pretty. Sometimes when you tap it, they come out, so. Give it a few taps, you know, and then make sure the mark's there. And also over here, we're gonna make a mark so that we know where we left. So this one has a little mark here, but it looks like it's been out before. So we're gonna line our dot there with this right here like that. So if you look closely, dot and dot, and then put like another mark here or something like this, just so we know where we at. You know, so we have 3 marks, 1, 2, 3, you know. And if you want to make another one right here, for the hell of it, another one, good. So let's get it. All right, now we're gonna remove the steering wheel. Comes right out. Do not touch the clock spring. Do not touch the clock spring. That's a very crucial part. If you mess that up, you mess up your airbags. This is very dirty, and I should clean it, but I'm scared. But I'm gonna clean it anyway. So, but let's first get this thing off up here, this housing here, and then put it on our new steering wheel, and then swap everything and put it here. So let's get it. All right, next we're gonna be removing the star the 3 stars here, and those are T40s. So we're going to be removing those. T40s. That's what makes the horn go on. So that's your horn, little thingy. Now we're left with that white housing there. I don't know what that is called, but we're gonna remove it and swap it out also. So removing this, and we're gonna clean that up too. 4 screws, they're all the same size. Don't mismatch them. These things had Loctite on them too. So now, this slides right out, just like that. So I guess those 4 bolts hold that down with that. And then we left with 2 more here. It's a different type of screwdriver. Always use the right type of screwdriver. So that goes there, and then this takes off like that. And boom, it's like a weight. It's like a little weight that goes on top. Actually, that's pretty cool. So that's the steering wheel all taken apart, and we're gonna put this one together, clean all these parts real quick, and let's get it. All right, that's cleaned off. Made it look pretty new, brand new. And now this is cleaned off also, you guys saw. So now let's put it back together and install this thing. All right, she is all assembled, ready to go in, baby. Let's go. All right, so now we're going to very carefully install this thing back on to this car. And we'll put our airbag on. Oh, don't forget about a nut here. It's not here. I usually just, with the gun, just give it a little tap on there. Boom. That's it. Should be secure enough. This thing's pretty powerful, so you don't want to just keep going with these things. So now, the next step is putting this airbag out. I'm gonna clean this out. I forgot to clean this out, so I'll be right back. All right, I'm back. And now we're gonna be installing the airbag in here. So the connector goes through here, above that. And then it's right in there. Just like that. Plug it back in, click, and then try to put it back where you took it out. Boom, got it removed now. And now let's fold this down. Fold this stuff down, this is it back down. Started by hand. there you go, guys. That's how we install these things. And then we got our left and our right. They're labeled, so this is left. And the left goes right in there. Don't forget to plug in your battery. Forgot to mention that. Comment below and see what you guys think. Thank you guys for watching. Hope you guys liked the video. Putting out more content because almost winter time. It's almost winter time, so this car is getting a type of like a makeover, you know, restoration. So stay tuned for that, and make sure you hit the like button, the subscribe button, and share this video if you can. I really appreciate it. Thank you for all the love and all the support out there from you guys. You know, you make this happen for me. Keep me motivated. So let's keep going. Have a blessed one. Peace.